The afternoon sun painted the quiet suburban street in warm golden light as neighbors went about their ordinary lives, never imagining they were about to witness something extraordinary. Beneath a towering oak tree stood a tiny girl, no older than 7, clutching a plain piece of cardboard against her chest. Beside her rested a spotless pink bicycle with a white basket, the kind every child dreams of riding through the neighborhood with laughter echoing behind them. But there was no laughter today. Her eyes were filled with silent tears she refused to let fall. A few yards away, her exhausted mother sat on the curb, wrapped in an old shawl, trying to hide the heartbreak that had become their daily companion. They had lost almost everything after months of unpaid medical bills and unexpected hardships. Selling the bicycle, the girl's most treasured possession, was their last hope of paying for groceries before the week ended. Most people simply walked past, assuming it was another family garage sale, never noticing the pain hidden behind the little girl's brave face. Then the distant rumble of motorcycle engines rolled through the neighborhood. 5 rugged bikers slowly approached, their large chrome cruisers gleaming in the sunlight. Parents quietly pulled their children closer, and curtains shifted as curious neighbors peeked through windows. The motorcycles stopped, and the largest rider stepped off before calmly walking toward the little girl. Instead of looking intimidating, he knelt to her eye level and gently asked, "Sweetheart, why are you standing here all alone?" She hesitated before whispering that the bicycle was the only valuable thing she had left, and her mother needed money for food. The biker looked at the bicycle, then toward the tired woman sitting nearby. Without another word, he removed his wallet and placed several crisp bills into the girl's tiny hands. "Keep your bicycle," he said with a warm smile. "Every child deserves to keep a piece of their childhood." The little girl stared in disbelief, unable to understand why a stranger would help without asking for anything in return. But the moment wasn't over. One by one, the other bikers stepped forward, each quietly adding more cash. Soon the girl's small hands could barely hold it all. The mother rushed over, tears streaming down her face as she tried to refuse, but the lead biker gently shook his head. "This isn't charity," he said. "This is neighbors taking care of neighbors." Their kindness didn't stop there. Learning that the family had almost no food left, the bikers disappeared for less than an hour. When they returned, they weren't empty-handed. Their motorcycles pulled trailers loaded with groceries, warm blankets, children's clothes, toys, and household essentials. Even more surprising, several neighbors who had watched from a distance finally stepped outside carrying donations of their own, inspired by the bikers' compassion. What began as one heartbreaking afternoon became an unforgettable reminder that kindness spreads faster than fear when someone is brave enough to act first. The little girl hugged her pink bicycle tighter than ever, realizing she wouldn't have to say goodbye after all. As the bikers prepared to leave, the entire neighborhood applauded, not because they were heroes seeking attention, but because they proved that true strength is measured by the lives you lift, not the image you project. And if this story touched your heart and reminded you that compassion still exists in this world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with someone who needs a little hope today. Together, let's keep spreading stories that restore faith in humanity, one act of kindness at a time.